It's time to write your website copy, but you're staring at a blank screen. Where do you even start? Or worse, you're locked in to show it with your brand new template ready, about to start filling in all of the text boxes that are preloaded in the design with information that applies to you. Please don't do this. The worst thing that you can do with your website copy is just filling it out as you go. Some templates are made with strategic copy placeholders already installed, but this isn't the case for all of them. Your copy really should be written before you purchase your website template, or at least before you start designing it. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Hi there, I'm Carissa and I'm a Show It design partner dedicated to helping you polish your presence online. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 3 actionable steps that you can take literally today that will help you feel super confident and excited in your website copy. In order to turn your website visitors into paying clients, your copy must be client focused. Whatever you do, don't make your copy all about you. Stay super centered with your ideal client's problems, goals, and dreams. So you could say something like, Carissa is an award-winning website designer for creatives. But you'd be much more compelling to your audience if you said something like, achieve your dream lifestyle with a website design that books your next year solid. See how the second option really captures exactly what that ideal client is ultimately after, the dream lifestyle. But it also shows them how and gives them a clear picture of that tangible goal to book their calendar full. That second option is way more exciting and will really capture your ideal client's attention. So ask yourself, when someone comes to your website, what is the problem that they're looking to solve? Pause this video right now and make a list of all of the problems your ideal client needs solved. Are they suddenly not fitting into their clothes anymore? Are they struggling to find a photographer that meets their aesthetic? Are their living room walls bare, leaving them feeling dull and constantly uninspired? Now, once you've listed out all their problems, think about that ultimate goal that they're after, those ultimate dreams that they're really gonna get as a result of working with you. Write down all those dreams that your ideal client has. Things like maybe they crave to look and feel confident in any photo that they take, no matter what they're wearing or no matter how they're posed. Or they want their wedding pictures captured exactly how they remember them. They want that home that they've been dreaming of for years on Pinterest. Then lastly, what are those little goals that really help them achieve the big dream that they're after? Is it to lose those 20 pounds by the end of the year? Is it crossing off the task of choosing a photographer already? Or having someone take all of their inspiration, go shop for the perfect decorations and hang them on the wall by next week? Once you've crafted your list of all of your ideal clients' problems, dreams, and goals, then you can kind of use them as a word bank of sorts as you start creating your client-focused copy. And the next thing you want to do is outline each page of your website. What are the talking points that you want to be sure and hit on each page? Maybe your homepage looks like this: a hero image with your brand statement, introduction to your services, introduction to you, testimonial, and then a call to action to your about page. Then as an example, perhaps maybe your about page has the following talking points: attention grabber, intro, bio section, testimonial, and then a call to action to the services page. You get the idea. Once you have your outline in place, then you can start writing the copy that belongs under each talking point that you've outlined for each page. Remember that word bank that you created of all the phrases that you do and don't say? If not, I'll link the video up above. Take all of those yes phrases and weave them into the words that you're writing under each section. And now that you have your outline in place and your copy written, it's time to start making some magic. And yes, I'm talking about headlines. Headlines really are the winning ticket to magnetizing website copy. You must have headlines in order to help your website visitors quickly and easily make it through all of your website content. Whatever you do, don't make it difficult on your visitors. All of your headlines should be driven by the list of your client's problems, dreams, and goals that you already listed out. Keep them very result focused and remember not to put the attention on yourself. It's all about the client here. And frankly, your ideal client really doesn't care about you. They just care that you can give them the results that they're after. Using a combination of your personality-filled phrases paired with the list of all of your clients' problems, dreams, and goals, you can achieve copy gold through the headlines that you create. And if you need a little bit of help in the world of headline composition, I have a template waiting for you with headlines that you can literally just copy and paste into your own website copy and then just fill in the blanks Mad Lib style so that it applies to you and your business. And I'll link that down in the description box below so you can get rolling right away. So first, list out your client's problems, dreams, and goals. Next, outline all of the topics on each page and write your copy accordingly. Then craft compelling headlines based on the content on each section of the page. By doing these 3 things, you'll have your website copy written in no time, and then you can move on to the final step before creating your website, and that is optimizing your photos. I'm sharing all about how to do that in the next video that's on your screen right now, so be sure to head on over there for the final step in the process.